Here we are, the boys are out on the Ocean to Lake Trail, going for the full 16-mile Riverbend to Hobe Sound Ocean. That orange blaze.
I thought you had a beer. That's just,
Oh, I wish.
that's just experience with you, I guess. I figured you were popping open a beer right now.
I don't know why I didn't bring any. Wobbly bobbly.
Here comes someone.
Hey, let me make sure it's recording.
Oh wait, that's a deer.
The deer just went jumping through there.
Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording.
Well, you may want to take this then, so that I'm not the one without the water stick.
Oh yeah. Where'd you go?
You guys want stick?
No, he's gone, dude. Damn, that's cold ass water, huh?
Right?
Oh, man.
Where's the blaze at?
Oh, Jesus, bro.
Where is the blaze? Is it just this path? You got sick at it. It's getting deeper up here.
Bro, how did all this water get here?
I don't know.
How long does it go like this?
Florida hiking right here, dude.
Knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Got a brand new feeling, I feel so fly. I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Keep singing. It's making me forget there might be an alligator.
Here, let me. Oh, the blaze is right there.
Relaxed hand jog. I do this. It's like a
I ball mine.
no, I do pinkies out, thumbs out. It's the weirdest.
Oh, you're fucking cow bugging old.
Yeah, exactly. I'm hanging loose. A soccer ball?
Do you have bowling balls in there? What?
That's actually a gallon of water.
No way.
A full gallon.
A full gallon of water in there. I don't believe it. And the water bladder?
Oh yeah, there's a water bladder in there too. But just in case the boys got thirsty.
A full gallon jug. And he hasn't taken a sip yet.
You never know when you might need it. Well, I'm still working on my liter.
You got a liter of cola?
I got a liter of cola in the bladder.
Kitchen Creek. That's right, this hiking trail was built and is maintained by volunteers of the Florida Trail Association. To find out how you can help, contact floridatrail.org or 877-HIKE-FLORIDA.
Come back for me, guys. I'll be here. Send help.
I'm pretty sure that's a house. I'm gonna go knock. Asshole galore. Ooh, it's cold, Jeff. I'm gonna film that. Is that called a trot? Is that a trot? Hold on, do those limp hands again real quick. I hope that got on video for sure. Oh man. setting in. We're almost done. We're at the end of the Jonathan Dickinson State Park. Here's US Federal Highway 1 right next to us. We're almost done. The Ocean to Lake Trail. We're almost at the end of it. Our 16-mile stint from Riverbend Park. Jeff, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, I'm feeling beat to shit.
Jeff is feeling the pain right now. You can see our lead man has pulled out his reserve gallon jug, so you can tell shit's getting serious. Jeff ran out of water about a mile back. Things are dire. Dude, this is one of the most biodiverse states in the United States. Florida's got like one little turn and be a different little area, yeah. Cool. Oof. Looks nice. All the palm trees over there look cool.
Positive beer earned today, boy.
Oh, for sure, man. I feel like Jeff's our MVP here today. I feel like he's really digging deep here to finish, so good job, brother. He's speechless. You're almost done, man. Oh, God, it's gonna feel good. Which battery I got left here? Just enough. Just enough. 2 batteries was just the right amount. There you go, Bubba. Jeff sees the water, he's reinvigorated. What a kick-ass hike. Really stoked we made it. Hobe Sound. Gotta touch the sign. Gots to touch the sign. Get that hand on that sign. There it is, yes. All right, he's touching, he's kissing the earth. You gotta go kiss the water.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes. Laughing with my friends under the sky. Following our hearts, so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly. Fly away. That's the only way to get that high. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Yeah. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble. Yeah, 'cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood. I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is on